Here we have our 9-seater 110 station wagon soft top in Aintree green with black Nemesis wheels, black powder coated roll cage. It's got beautiful saddle leather interior, side steps, winch bumper, winch, LED spots, LED sides and brights. It's an absolutely beautiful car. The dark green with the black contrasts looks absolutely fantastic. The paintwork is absolutely first rate. It's got a very deep metallic mixed in. It's got air conditioning, auxiliary heater. It's got a Alpine floating head unit, Apple CarPlay and Android Audio Connect. And we'll just take a little peek inside. So you got two-man bench seats. Then you've got 3-person bench in the back, folding 60/40. And then in the front, you've got the floating Alpine head unit, the dash switches AC, Exmoor trim rubber matting system, stainless steel thresh. We think this is a stunning example of a TATC 110 build. Thank you for watching.